Good day friends, welcome back to Sonia's Space, and in this video I'm going to introduce to you this precious hair butter that helps to strengthen the hair, reduce damage and breakage, makes the hair stronger, and also helps to stimulate fast hair growth. Here I have fresh rosemary leaves that I'm going to be drying with my dehydrator, because fresh rosemary leaves tend to get spots easily, so it's better to dry it first before using it to make your products. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, and keep watching. So here I have rosemary leaves, cloves, as well as cumin black seed that has been grinded. So I blended the cloves, rosemary leaves, and then added it up together and stir it up. Cumin black seed stimulates hair growth, reduces hair loss, and also helps to restore damaged hair. To the mixture, I added a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 cup of avocado oil, and 1 teaspoon almond oil. The list of these ingredients is in my description box, so you can check it up later. So give the mixture a very good stir, then cover it up properly so that water does not get inside the oil. Then I poured hot water on it to help it infuse properly, after which I'm going to be leaving it for more than 24 hours so that the rosemary leaves, cloves, and cumin black seed can be infused properly inside the oil. I went ahead and strained the oil with my cheesecloth to make sure that no particle goes into the oil, and then squeezed it a little bit to get my oil mix. And then set it aside. Then in another bowl I put in 1 cup of shea butter and then put it on top of hot water so that the heat can help to melt the shea butter, as you can see. After the shea butter has melted, I added in my other oil that I got from rosemary leaves, cloves, and cumin black seed to the shea butter, mix it together, and then kept it in the freezer to solidify for about an hour, and then whisk it up to get my butter. I then added 10 drops of lemon oil to my hair butter, because lemon oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It restores natural shine to dry and dull hair, and also helps to reduce dandruff. I also added a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. This rosemary and clove hair butter is a powerful blend of natural goodness with the stimulating properties of rosemary and the nourishing properties of clove. This hair butter promotes growth, strengthens strands, and leaves your hair irresistibly healthy and beautiful. Hair grows like crazy and doesn't fall out. So this video ends here. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.